brush. So I'm going to using a dot two. So I have 3 drop of the of base coat, beige gels. Okay, it's beige gel. It's not the beige nail polish. It's beige gel polish. So I'm gonna mix it up, right? And now I'm ready to polish it on it. Sorry, it's a little bit shiny on that. We're trying to get it. I don't know if Facebook and Instagram can see. Oh, you are very welcome, Chantal. I'm so glad you asked. Money back. Money back. Are you here? You're welcome. Okay, you ready? Great. So I have tinted brush with me right now. So I am gonna pick it up. Saturate my brush really well. And I'm gonna polish it. So if you want to be sheer look, for instance, if the clients that come in and want like a glass nails with sheer look and like jelly look in the black, right? You can using a clear tip for clients, but the clients are doing this, then you can using on the natural tip. So it depends on however your clients prefer. But this one I dropped 3 drops, so it's make it really nice. We can do 6 drops. 6 drop make it really sheer. Like basically you can really see it in like lace sheer look. All right, so I'm gonna clear this. Quick for 60 seconds. If you can always go back to second coat and make it like even more. All right, looks cute now. So I'm gonna saturate my brush again. And if you want to be like a more transparent money back, and for all you ladies who are curious about this one, you can drop 2 more or 3 more. But if you do that, you make sure you get it enough for all 10 nails, so your ratio is look exactly the same. You don't want to do 2 nails and we run out of the colors and then you have to mix it again. So you want to make sure if the clients don't want to do all 10 nails, you want to make sure you make it enough for all 10 nails. Or if the client's just doing 2 rings fingers, then that's enough for 2 rings fingers, you know, if you want to do a whole set for the clients. So my order is flying. That's awesome. Cake and sweet. Hola, Bryce, Marine, how are you? All right, so if you want to do another coat, I don't know if I want to do another coat, you can. It looks really nice and it looks like kind of a sheer look. I get this design for you since we changed this, so we're gonna change it a little bit. Great. Here's again for 60 seconds. Here you go, and then you can still have this one to do another nails. So I think it's like a 1 drop of the black gel polish and then 3 drop of the beige gels will give you 2 nails. So if you need more than that for, oh, here, can I show you too, since I am here with everyone. So I am going to wipe my brush off. Okay, I'm not dipping in alcohol or acetone at all, and you can still see the black residues of pigments right there. So I am going to do, either you're gonna using beige gels, or you can do is no wet top coat, either way. So I'm gonna drop 1 drop of the base or the top, either ones, drop it right there, right? So then you're gonna just swirl the brush. This is keep your brush, it will last forever with you. I mean, well, I say it unless you like don't cap it on. I'm really pleased with this, and it start releasing a lot of black pigments here. You see that the brush will release it all, and I see like all the bubble and stuff. So then I'm gonna wipe it off. Nicely. Keep it nice shape, and I'm gonna put the caps on, so then this brush will be always being protected and it's never gonna be sad at all. So really good. So then you can do, let me see if I can do something with this. Maybe we can use this one. Let me do this one. How about that? Black precision brush, since we are in a black and white here. And should we do black on black? And black on black, it looks good. And I put some AB crystals on it, so it's gonna be so stunning. So I am gonna be using this. This is, I'm so pleased with this, especially for me, not really like so good with painting. I have to admit it, I'm not gonna lie to you. So using this, and your strokes just have a stationary on the board of your fingers. So whatever fingers you feel comfortable with, you're gonna hold it, give it a light touch, and move the brush and turn the client's nails, right? So the lighter you touch, the thinner your stroke's gonna be. And you can always repeating it if you want to darker your strokes. I have a hard time to doing it like a stroke like that too, so you are not only one and you're not alone. I am gonna really like, I can't wait to share with you doing a lot of cool different vibes and stuff too. Look at that, you can do the like a lace in like no time. This brush does everything for me already. So if you want to like to be another things like you can go in between, I think it looks great. Great. I'm gonna flash key it for like maybe 10 seconds and I'll move on to the other. Just to make sure that, and you can go with another, like even thinner, just 10 seconds. Ten seconds. Live Rust, your question is what's a basin top? I mean for the cleansing. I'm sorry, all right. So notice I have it right here. I just want to show you this. Just wipe off the excess. You don't have much in there, and then I can go on the other side. The reason I just flash key it, so then that way it's easy, so you don't have to worry about the strokes you did it before. Going back if you need to, and then move your fingers and your nails at the same time, because it's the consistency of the gel painting is so, I'm so pleased with this because it's not runny or it's not like a thick density like a pot. The pot, sometimes if you want to do really like a thin look like this, I dilute it a little bit with the beige gels, which is I share with a lot of different video before. But this one you don't need to dilute nothing, and you can draw it really cute, easy with the French look as well. So now I'm gonna flash key it quick for 10 seconds. So now you get like the laser like that. If you want, you can just put your crystals along with the crocs line. The polish you for the butterfly, Chantella. This butterfly you mean? You mean Chantella? I'm sorry. The question for this butterfly, it is a gel painting.
Yeah, you answered that.
Okay, I just want to make sure I answer it. So now you can finish with this by putting condensed glue gels, no white top coat, and you can put your crystal right on each section right there. It's gonna look so freaking stunning. Either way, however you would like it. So if you want to do is some roses, like a black roses, we can having some fun with that as well if you want to. Do you want to see that? Hi, April. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it, okay? And this is gonna be for, it's just to make it look so cute and complete. So I'm gonna do the rose right in the middle. You can do it on the side, you can do on the edges, however you would like. And just make a little letter C, like first. It looked like Chanful Foil, but it's gel painting. Chanful Foil is cute already, but this one even like more fun look for the drawing. Just in case that you have a client's request for a painting the gel, like the nails. I usually give it in the center, like a big part of the petals, a little bit bigger, so it's make it look more beautiful and natural look. You can always go over with this because this pre-seasoned brush, the tips, really easy to work with. Sorry, just hard because I need to see it really closer detail because it's I think I get a little bit reflections of the lighting. I can't see it because it was so bright. Can we move that one? Can't see it because. Can you see it now? Instagram?
No, man, we'll see it.
It's hard to see that. Okay, let me bring it up and see how we can see it.
Okay, you have black on black. Is it dark?
No, it looks beautiful.
It is. That is how you see
Wait to see it until we are finished. This one is beautiful. To watching the time is gonna be end in just seconds. I'm gonna be right back, okay, everyone, on Instagram. Hi Instagram, sorry to get a cut off because it's like 60 minutes from Instagram, so then Instagram will cut it off, then we have to end and come back. Hello Instagram, thanks so much for coming back in. This is, I'm really pleased with this because the brush, it will do everything for me. Like I basically don't have to do much. Can you see it? My nails. So sticking on the details on this. It's so fun to do this one. And just basically you just touch and put the tip of your petals and just leave it up. That's all you need to do. And I'm not gonna lie to you, you're gonna experience it yourself to see that how easy it is. There you go. You can do a little bit more detail if you want to. Doesn't take much time, but it's getting really cute. But if you're happy with this, we're gonna keep it fast key for 30 seconds.